You could almost think of a sentence like a house, and these clauses are like the different rooms, each with its own specific function.
Subordinate clause with its own subject and verb that does the exact same job a single noun would do. So, for example, instead of saying, I know the answer, you could say, I know what the answer is. See? Same job.
So, how do you spot these things in the wild? Well, you can often find them by looking for the signal words that kick them off. Words like that, what, when, who, or how. And you'll often see these words pop up right after verbs about thinking or talking. You know, verbs like say, tell, ask, know, or believe.
Now let's talk about the different jobs they can do. A noun clause can be the subject of a sentence, the part that's actually doing the action. Like in, what he said is not true. It can also be the object, the thing that receives the action. It answers the question, what? For example, I told her, what? That my boss is very honest. And finally, it can be a complement, which is just a fancy way of saying it renames or completes the meaning of the subject. Like in, the fact is that I am guilty.
Let's look at a really clear example. He said that he was a king. So what did he say? He said that he was a king. That whole clause is acting as the direct object of the verb said. And get this, you could replace that entire group of words with a single noun, like a lie. He said a lie. It works perfectly.
It's the exact same thing here. I don't know how to swim. Just ask the question, I don't know what? The answer is the entire clause, how to swim. That whole chunk of words is acting just like a single noun. It's the object of the verb know.
And one more, just to make sure it really sticks. No one knows when he will come. So what is the thing that no one knows? It's when he will come. See the pattern? This entire clause is behaving just like a simple noun.